let's get into this hair. Okay, so I did a little outfit change. What y'all think? What y'all think? You know, usually I wear my stuff on the side, like a deep side part, but I just felt like this was giving bust down, which is crazy for me. I know if y'all know, like I know my forehead, it says side part. But every once in a while, a good little bust down, and I ain't mad at it. I'm not mad at it. I kind of want to like, yeah, like I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this. I'm not. I I'm feeling it. So like I said, this hair was sent to me from Janet Collection. It is off of their Melt line. It is a 13x6 frontal closure. Yes, this is synthetic, but it has the natural hairline, and it really does. I mean, of course, the bigger gurus, y'all pluck it and do all this amazing stuff to it. I won't say that I am inexperienced or a beginner, but I guess you could just say I'm at that medium level, okay? But I'm not an expert at all. Crochet, sure. Not wigs. But it's going to be getter. It's going to get better as the year progresses, because y'all, this is fall time, right? This is fall, and then there's winter, and that's wig season, baby. That's wig season in Alabama, because that's really the only time you can wear them shits for real. But let me tell you a little bit of the details that's on the back. Like I said, it says it's a natural density, 100% hand tied on 13x6 frontal part. Let's see what else. It is soft Swiss lace from ear to ear, and each strand was hand tied. It's a translucent lace, and then it says a natural hairline, so it could give scalp basically. Now I will say with the translucent lace, as y'all see, I had to work a little bit harder. Like I get the idea and the concept, because you know, us women of color, we come in all different colors, right? And so they have to have like a neutral. You can get a brown tint, you know, if you know that that's going to work for you, but I don't necessarily like the brown tint. It doesn't work for me. I don't know. Some brown tints just don't give for me. And so most of the time I just go with a neutral tone. And the neutral, yeah, you have to work a little harder, because well, if you're my complexion, if you're a chocolate girl with the neutral lace, sometimes you have to work a little harder. And what I do is usually the one color up from my normal foundation, like one shade darker, I get that and use it for my lace. But I feel like I could have went 2 shades darker with this, just to make it just a little bit darker, but it still worked out okay, I think. I'm definitely feeling it. I think it's good. And you know what's crazy? I thought that this color was going to be like so big. You know, I did this one first because I was like, I ain't gonna be able to wear this to work. Like, this is a I'm like, oh, that color is like, you know, I'm doing videos or TikToks kind of color. You know, it's not go to the grocery store, go to work kind of color. But I feel like it is. Like, I feel like I could go to work with this. What do y'all think? I'm not mad at this. And like, of course, when I wear wigs, look at my eyeshadow. Not my eyeshadow. I don't even have my eyeshadow, but my eyeliner is like melting on my eyelid. Anyway, I don't necessarily wear wigs to work. If I do, they're like 1B, you know, they're plain, because I don't be wearing makeup and stuff. Because I do feel like when you have on a wig, I feel like just makeup just does something for the wig. I don't know. But I feel like I could do this one. Like, I feel like I could do this one. The hair is really soft. I did not separate the curls. I don't feel like this is one that you need to, nor that you should, because I can't guarantee how, you know, how the tangle would be, because I mean, this is synthetic. It's going to be normal to tangle, but what I like with the wavy and curly hair, like, you don't really have to worry about that, because nobody's going to know. You know what I'm saying? Like, nobody's going to know that unless they're trying to run their hands through your hair and that ain't something we do here, you know. So yeah, it's got like some highlights in it. It's not like just red, like it's just, you see that like it's got some of an orangey kind of color in it as well. Like it's got just highs and lows in it, and it's just gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. This was my first time trying to put the baby hairs up there, y'all. I don't know. It didn't really need it, but I was just trying, you know. I'm trying to step my game up, trying to practice a little bit. I didn't worry too much about blending the sides. If I was going to wear this, you know, for a few days or whatever right now, which I will eventually, but like I said, I got other videos I have to do. So I know I have to take this right off. So therefore, I'm not worried about blending the sides and all that stuff right now. But I mean, if you can blend this part, you can blend everything else just the same. So as you see, it is very much doable. Yeah, I love it. I can't stop looking at myself like, hey, y'all. Hey. Anyway. So I hope you like this video. If I missed anything, if you have any questions, of course, put it down in the comment section and I'll answer it as soon as I can. And thank you so much for watching my videos, you guys. I love you so much. Please share this video and like it. And if you're new here, could you please subscribe to this? Please, please, please. And if you know someone who likes crochet or is learning how to do crochet, could you refer me? Could you tell them about sis? Can you introduce me? All right, I love you guys. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace and blessings.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, have me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll.